Hi everyone, this is Francisco, and it's June 4th, it's Saturday, 2023. I'm Francisco Contreras. I'm recording my second video. Going to Hi everyone, this is Francisco. Okay, in this video, okay, great. This video here, I want to talk about, came up with an idea. It's called concrete slabs. You know, the title, the header or whatever. I wrote pattern because this. Okay, let me break down pattern to all of you. Patterns are everywhere. Patterns can either, keep things intact or not. It's like a rock climber. Rock climbers. Or like a crane. There's a pattern. It's like, it's like a fucking, like a rope where there's two strands and they're, they're all wrapped up together, and it's very powerful, and they could hold a lot of weight. But then there's some with 3 strands of rope, and they're interwoven together, so obviously they can hold more weight. And the same is true with cranes, but they're these, it's not rope that's made out of plastic, it's made out of iron, so it's able to hold a lot of weight. So anyways, so there's patterns. There's a pattern here. Concrete slabs, pattern to prevent, the concrete from bulging upwards. So I thought of this idea where, well, technically I seen a concrete slab. You people out there, you create your concrete slabs and it's smooth. It's like a perfect square or a perfect rectangle. and then the roots come in and they push upwards. And since this is a perfect 90-degree, it's squared, when the roots come and it pushes up, the concrete follows. So I was actually thinking of an idea to actually prevent this from happening, and it's actually pretty simple. You guys can make this pattern with concrete or steel, with steel rods or whatever you people are using, and it's all in the pattern. Okay, so if you people create something out of either concrete or iron rods, it will still work effectively. But I'm thinking more like of an interlocking device. And the best way that I can describe this information to all of you, to illustrate it, perfectly in all of your guys' minds, will be like a tooth, a human tooth. Okay, think of the human tooth like the concrete slab. Okay, it's not this perfect square with a certain height, a specific height, or a perfect rectangle with a specific height. It is that, but it goes beyond that. Okay, the tooth actually goes downwards. Okay, and that's what makes this tooth, so difficult to be pulled, from a person's mouth, person's jaw. So I'm thinking the same type of thing. If a root is pushing up, it's pushing upwards, there has to be something to prevent that from happening. And I'm thinking more like like a 45-degree angle type of rod, or half of 45. So half of 45 is 20 22.5. So half of 45 is 22.5. So somewhere around that angle. In between 22.5 and 45, which will create this kind of like an X. So the foundation will be up here, and then you'll see these, angled reinforcement bars, which will be very difficult for the roots to pull up, because in doing so it would require to lift not only the concrete slab and the iron, but the earth in between it. Okay, so that is all the explanation I need to give to all of you. Thank you all for watching. Have a great night. Have a great day.